Hello, welcome to Glady Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to access blocked channel on Telegram. So if you want to access a blocked channel, maybe because you did not meet up with the guidelines of the channel, or because the channel was deleted from your Telegram app, you want to still access the Telegram channel, this is what you have to do. It's very easy. Just watch this video to the very end to get the full details on what to do. So the first thing you have to do is to go out from your Telegram app. So you can use any browser of your choice. In this video I'll be making use of Chrome. So you just have to launch your browser. The reason why it's showing like this because I've accessed it before. So what you have to do is to type in web.telegram.org. So take note of it, web.telegram.org. So it's going to bring out your Telegram channel here. So because you have logged in on your Telegram app, so what you just have to do is going to bring out the Telegram channel since it's been logged in on your Telegram app. So the next thing you have to do is to tap on the three dot at the right corner of your screen, and left corner, sorry. So when you tap on it, it's going to give you all these options here. You just have to tap on settings. So on my settings I just have to tap on privacy and security. So the next thing that I have to do is to scroll down. You are going to see a sensitive content. You just have to turn on the toggle so that you be when you turn it on this way, it's going to filter the channel that has been blocked on your Telegram app or that has been deleted from your Telegram app, and then you just have to go back. You just have to go back to your Telegram, and then you can easily access that channel. You just have to type in the name of the channel from the search option here and look for the channel. It's going to be accessible after turning on your disabled filter. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.